everyone, it's me, Bleau. So, I'm sorry I didn't do a video last week. I had some technical difficulties, but they're all fixed now. And I realized this is the last video of 2018, which is kind of sad, but new year. And there's something really exciting that's going on next year that I've been working on. So, I'm excited to share that with you guys. But let's get into this video. So remember last time how I told you guys about my failed snowman, which looked like a Christmas tree, but it was supposed to be a snowman. So we're trying that again, and this time we're gonna get it right. So today I'm going to show you how to make a snowman lip balm carrier. So let's get started. First you'll need clay, different colors, obviously white because it's a snowman, clay tools, a permanent marker, and aluminum foil. Oh, and you'll also need a little lip balm container. So this video is not about making the lip balm, but I'll put some links so you can see my lip balm videos from the past and you can get the recipe. So the first step is to cover the top and the bottom of your container in aluminum foil. Make sure you're still able to click back into place. The second step is to mold a little head around the lid of your lip balm container and a slightly bigger body around the bottom of your lip balm container. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to work on the scarf. So get a long piece of clay, flatten it, and wrap it around the top part of the body. Now we're going to make it a hat. So roll a perfect circle, squish it, and drape it on the snowman's head. Now get a different piece of clay, a different color, roll it into a circle, and put it on the top of his hat. Now use some orange to make him a carrot nose. After that, remove the plastic lip balm case and put him in the oven for however long your clay packet says. Once it's out of the oven and cooled, draw a little face on your snowman. Now all you have to do is assemble him, fill him with lip balm, give him to someone for the holidays, or keep it for yourself, and that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in 2019.